visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
May nag-aantay lang ditong kausapin, no? Either inaantay lang kausapin mo ko, papatawarin naman kita, actually napatawad na kita. Alam mo naman ako yung mauna, no? Ako na ngayon nagawa ng kasalanan. Syempre, alam naman ako pa maghabol, no? And that's probably unethical, no? For a person, actually, no, para maghabol, ikaw na yung nakagawa ng kasalanan, ikaw pa maghahabol, para kang kumukuha na masyado mo namang ibinababa ang pagkatao mo kapag gano'n, no? Pero katulad nga sabi nila, if we talk about the Bible, 1 Corinthians something, na love no keeps records of wrongs. Love is not prideful, pero sometimes kapag masyado mo namang ni-romanticize, no? Ang ganong pag-uugali, you might gonna be taken advantage of. So, I think siguro ang ginagawa mo dito, dapat lang, no? Nandun na nga tayo eh. We need to have our fair share. Napatawad na kita kahit hindi ka humingi ng tawad. I think that's enough, no? Gumawa ka naman ng effort para bigyan naman ako ng pampalubag loob ba, no? kahit hindi mo ipangalandakan yung apology mo, hindi mo kailangang i-post, no? Kahit tayong dalawa lang, ibulong mo lang, no? Kasi gusto ko rin naman magkaayos tayo. Ito yung nakikita ko. Actually, meron kang gustong linawin with the Queen of Wands, no? Meron ka ring mga gustong itanong noon pa. So, meron kang nakahanging questions. Baka kasi meron din tayo ditong habang nung magkahiwalay kayo, masyadong tumatakbo yung isip mo, no? Hanggang you walk down memory lane. Meron ka mga naiisip na mga bagay na nangyari before, gusto mong balikan, gusto mong itanong ngayon. Ito ba yung dahilan? Bakit ganito? Blah, blah, yada, yada. No? At least, sinasabi mo dito, you keep your busy. Kahit wala siya, you know, yung attention mo nasa relationship pa din. With the 3 of Wands, the 9 of Wands, and ito na nga, the 3 of Pentacles. So, nandito na tayo, nag-iisip na tayo. May mga pagkakataon na para nating mas lalong sinasaktan yung sarili natin, no? Dahil wala na nga yung person in physical form dahil magkalayo kayo, may separation. Ikaw, lagi mo pang inaalala yung mga mabubuti, yung the good, the bad, and the ugly. Siguro nagmumuni-muni ka rin, is this relationship meant for me? What have I done, no, to be treated this way? So, I think you're doing shadow works kapag ganito na yung nangyayari, no? Baka kasi you're not even pointing fingers, no? Probably. You're not probably pointing all the blame to your person. You're probably looking something deep within, no? Baka meron din ako nagawa, meron din akong kasalanan, ano ba ito, blah blah yada yada. So self-reflection, ito yung dumating habang you're in separation with your person. Kaya siguro din meron kang realization dito I think I'll give it another try. I think I'll give it one last time, no? The Queen of Swords, the Six of Wands, and the Two of Cups. I think someone here is going to persist. What is the persistence in here? Kasi the Queen of Swords, sabihin natin, yeah, there is force. There's actually communication in here that's going to happen. One will be a little, sabihin natin, diplomatic. The other person will be a little, ano ba, uh, medyo aggressive, no? Uh, Someone is probably may take the blame or point the blame to someone, and someone, sige, para lang matapos na to. Para hindi na humaba itong pinag-uusapan natin, I'm taking the blame, no? Um, are you going to shift to the Queen of Wands to become a Queen of Swords? I think why not? Bakit hindi? Dahil I think that you're going to discover something from digging old memories, and then you're gonna have this aha moment na, sandali, these things are happening even before, and I'm not, kumbaga, exposed na siya, hindi ko lang siya nakita, no? Um, I think that that's something that you want to clarify. There might be some triggers na pwedeng mapupush, no, because of that shadow works, because of the conversation that's going to happen. Um, but in the end, kasi the Queen of Wands is a brutally honest, no? You might go a little extreme in here with the Queen of Swords, pero still, nandun tayo sa fact, no? Um, the Queen of Cups kasi medyo paligoy-ligoy yan, no? Para lang hindi makasakit. Now, this is actually brutally honest. So, it cutthroat, no? Parang cutthroat itong magsalita. Parang pwedeng may mura, no? But the mura is about self-expressions. But in the end, through the journey of that conversation, no, it may take a little while for the other person to actually accept the reason, whether that is an actual reason, whether that is an alibi. I think that there is still one last try. Um, and hopefully that this will work, no? Kung sino man yung natatakot dito na baka hindi na, wala nang chance. Well, actually, this will be the last resort of it. Kaya kung sino man yung nakagawa ng kasalanan, no, pagbutihin mo na, because hindi lahat nabibigyan ng another chance. Pwedeng nakalusot ka ng mga ibang panahon, pero this will be the last straw, no? After this, someone is going to say, and hopefully not, no, call it quits. But this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, or pwede rin naman lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo. I'm seeing Cancer, Leo, Gemini, Aries, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.